Welcome to our channel. Activating your TD Bank credit card by phone is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number provided with your TD Bank credit card. This number is typically found on a sticker attached to your new card or in the welcome letter. Step 2. Call the TD Bank activation number from any phone. Make sure you have your credit card and personal information ready before calling. Step 3. Follow the automated prompts when the call connects. You'll be asked to select your preferred language and the reason for your call. Step 4. Enter your credit card number when prompted by the automated system. Use the keypad to input all 16 digits carefully. Step 5. Provide additional verification information such as your date of birth, social security number, or zip code to confirm your identity. Step 6. Listen to the terms and conditions if the system reads them to you. Press the appropriate key to accept and proceed with activation. Step 7. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is now activated. The system will tell you that your TD Bank credit card is ready to use. Step 8. If you have questions or encounter issues, the automated system may transfer you to a customer service representative for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.